Rockefeller jewelry heist, diamonds in my bitch doobie. I sit back, think about the cats. They hating, man, I laugh at them. Get out of line, I blast at them. Stay scheming, fuck around, let off a clip and leave the whip leaning. I took the creaming.
YouTube, what's up? It's Magnus. Happy Sunday. I just got off work. I've been working straight days for the past, I don't know. So forgive me if I don't sound real enthused on this video. Today we're going to be showing you how to assemble the Pittsburg 1,000-pound engine stand. All right, I've got all the components laid out here so you can kind of get a better view of everything you're going to get inside the box. Everything is laid out from the front to the back. There's your front mounting, and those are your caster wheels that go along with it. Those take for the small bolts that come in your hardware bag. Then you got your framing section here. There's one center bolt that goes with it, and it mounts everything together from the bottom with a lock washer. All right, your rear wheel mount has axles attached to it, and you'll use a washer and snap ring to put those wheels on. Here's your handle and this Carter key that you use to spin the motor once you get the motor plate on. Here's the 4 arms for the motor plate, and those are the bolts that attach the arms to the motor plate. There's your pin, and it goes in the top side of the engine stand once the engine's in, and you can use that to rotate and stop it as you need to. I'll kind of pan real slow so you can kind of see the hardware and where it needs to go. And then we're going to get started with assembly. All right, let's get started. Here's the tools you're going to need. Get you 11/16, 9/16, and 3/4. Also corresponding sockets for each one. And get you some pliers for the snap rings that you're going to have to put on your rear wheels. All right. Going to start with this front section. The bolts that hold this together are going to look like this, and they're 11/16. Okay, we're going to assemble the rear section here. Grab that long bolt with the lock washer on it. You're going to put these 3 pieces together, and there's a nut inside the frame. So that's how you're going to tighten it down. This bolt is 3/4. All right, now your frame's together, and you go ahead and start putting your wheels on. I'm starting with the front. The bolts to hold those together, you're going to need are small ones here, and they are going to be 9/16. All right, you got your front casters on. Remember, you need to put them in just like this so there's no clearance issues with your swivel. All right, now we're gonna get ready to put the rear wheels on. Like I said, you're gonna need your washer and your snap ring. You put your wheel on first, put your washer next, then your snap ring. Put your little grease in the wheel and on that axle also before you install it. All right, got all our wheels on, snap rings, everything's tightened down. As far as torque specs, use common sense. Make sure it's tight. Don't make sure it's too tight where you strip something now, but tight, because this thing's gonna be holding an engine. So, like I said, a little common sense goes a long way. All right, get ready to put the motor plate in and the arms with the handle. All right. Okay, before you install this shaft into your stand, find your bucket of grease, stick your hand in that grease, and you're gonna have to grease this shaft. All right, guys, after you grease your shaft and slide it into your stand, you're gonna wanna put your arms on. You got 4 of these, and you wanna install them just like this. So you can adjust the arm according to whatever engine you're trying to mount onto this stand. And that's what this notch is for. All right, get ready to put the 4 arms on, and we're gonna install the handle in the back. Okay, guys, so that's it. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back, or do like I'm gonna do and get you a nice cold beer. This is the handle I was talking about, and that's your Carter key. Just bend it so it won't fall out. This is the pin I showed you earlier, and this locks this into place so it won't rotate on you when you got a load on the motor plate. Also, just hand tighten these for right now unless you're ready to install the engine. They're 3/4, and this arm gives you room to get your wrench in here. When you do get your motor and getting ready to mount this thing, so you can get a wrench and tighten these down however you need them onto your bolts there on the back of your motor. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Real quick, simple design, very sturdy. This is the new version of the Pittsburg motor stand. The other one went on clearance. I think they were going for like 60 bucks. This is $100. If you catch it with the coupon on Microsoft Edge or Google, you can get it for 80 bucks, which is awesome. But plus tax, of course. But anyway, I've been Magnus. Hope you enjoy this. And next, we're going to be putting together our new engine shop crane, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And next, we're going to be getting that motor out of that car. Finally. Jesus Christ. I've been Magnus. Holla at you next one. Peace.